aside from being a lawyer, you are an educator as well.
Yes.
'Di ba? Siguro very quickly na lang, paano ba natin itataas yung kalidad ng edukasyon sa ating bansa? Kasi nagiging problema natin, nagiging behind tayo dun sa mga iba't ibang mga studies and etc.
Alright. Madaming aspeto, maraming kailangang
Mm.
ayusin dyan. But
Mm.
close to my heart would be we need to train teachers in order for the teachers to respond properly, may capability sila to handle children with special needs because that is close to my heart. No? Ang problem kasi natin ngayon is, okay, fine, under the law, there should be one public school na offering special education per LGU. But the problem is, what if malayo doon sa public school, etong bata na to, meron na nga siyang special needs. So napakahirap. Why not, instead of funding only the public school, training for public school teachers, why not also fund training for private school teachers? Wag nating pag-awayin yung public and private. Because at the end of the day, we are after the welfare of the children. So that is one. Second, under dun sa EDCOM 2 report, there's a problem with nutrition. No? From 0 to 2 years old or 3 years old, kailangan properly nourished yung bata.
First
After that,
1,000 days.
yes. After that, stunted na yan. At hindi lang yan, may problem sa mental health kasi malnourished, etc. So we go back to the basic, dapat well-nourished yung bata. Pangatlo, yun nga po, yung training ng mga teachers para meron silang capacity building, alam nila kung paano gumawa, kung ano nila, kung paano mag-respond. We need to hire yung mga reading intervention specialists. Lahat yan kailangan pondohan no? And third, yung sa remediation process. Say for example, nahihirapan yung bata. Nahihirapan yung batang magbasa. Monday to Thursday, same teacher. Pagdating ng Friday, magkakaroon sa remediation or magkakaroon na sinasawag ng catch-up Friday. Anong sasabihin nila? Etong teacher siya ulit ang magtuturo. Hindi naman sa reading intervention specialist. So ano ituturo niya? The same thing na tinuro niya ng Monday to Thursday. So we need to hire, we need to train
Specialists.
Yes, for that. So yun ang problem Meron tayong kakulangan. Hindi natin prioritize yung expenses natin sa education. Akala natin pag nagpatayo tayo ng ganito, hahayaan na lang natin yung mga teachers. Mali. Dapat may proper training yung mga teachers kasi at the end of the day, sila yung brains behind education. Of course, infrastructure is very important. But the teachers must be funded both sa private and the public for purposes of their training and capacity building.